Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right now we are going to change or remove the background image of our picture. So let's bring in one of these picture just like that. So I'm going to scale it just like that. So we are going to bring in any background. Okay, let me bring in this. Okay, we have this thing. Okay, we are going to make it smaller like that. Okay, so we have that, and then the next move is okay, so this is what we have. So this one we are going to duplicate it. To duplicate it, simply alternative key and do it like that with the mouse. So we can bring it to the front like that. So now right here we have two options to remove the background, but I'm gonna use the easy one. So you can simply come to the tools box right here. That this is a small button right there. This one it is object selection tool. So you can simply draw the picture just like that and leave it. So from there, right click on the picture and then click feather, and okay, done. From there we can remove it just like that. Now we can simply scale it like this. We make it like that. Okay, and this is the original one, and this is what we just changed right now. So the next move is simply to put saturation on this. Okay, so let me duplicate this thing and put it right here. Okay, we are going to make sure that we put the saturation on that, just like this. We can, okay, all right, just like that. Okay, just put it small. Okay, so there we are done. So that's how you can do it. So the other tip is simply to duplicate it, making it many. Okay, so this is just a simple tip. Okay, you can add as many as you want, just like that. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye bye.